Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Sanjs Aasha. Today we will see how to crochet this curtain holder. We're starting with the slip knot. Here we make our slip knot. Okay, after slip knot we will make 3 chain crochet stitches. Okay, now we will join first and last stitch with the slip stitch. See, I'll join first and last stitch with slip stitch. Because of that, we get a very small tiny bit circle in between. It is small but it is big enough that a needle can easily pass through it. Okay. Now each time we will pass our needle from inside that circle. Okay. And make a double crochet stitch. See, from inside that circle. Okay. So similarly we have to make 20 double crochet stitches. See, I'll yarn over. Pass my needle from inside that circle, grab the yarn, pull through, and then again yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. So like I'm making a double crochet stitch, but each time I'm passing my needle from inside that circle. If any of you want to refer a tutorial video for how to make a double crochet stitch, link is already given in description. That is also with written notes, easily explained, slow demonstration is given, so you can refer the tutorial video also. Okay, I'll just complete this 20 double crochet stitches. Just remember, each time you have to pass your needle from inside that circle, tiny circle. Okay, and you have to make 20 double crochet stitches. I'll just complete it and I'll show you. Just remember one thing, that free end of the yarn, please don't take it into stitches. We need to pull it later to fix that middle gap. See, I've completed my 20 double crochet stitches. Now I'll join first and last stitch with the slip stitch. So we get the like complete circle, round is complete. Okay. Now see that free yarn. See this free end of the yarn, we will pull it. So that middle gap is like closed completely and we get a flat circle. See, this way. Now for the next round, we will make 2 double crochet stitches in each single stitch. We have to repeat this pattern all around this round. So it is like 2 double crochet stitches in each single stitch. And when we come by end, just join first and the last stitch with the slip stitch. I'll just complete this and I'll show you. Just remember 2 double crochet stitches in each single stitch. See, I'm done with the 2 double crochet stitches in each single stitch, all around the circle. Okay, now I'll join first and the last stitch with the slip stitch. Now we are supposed to make a framework on which a complete design will come. So for that we will first make a double crochet stitch. Okay. After that we will make 3 chain crochet stitches. Okay. And then we will skip next stitch where we made a double crochet stitch, and next to that we will make another double crochet stitch. Okay. So like every alternate stitch we will make a double crochet stitch followed by 3 chain crochet stitch. Skip next stitch and then again in next stitch we will make a double crochet stitch followed by 3 chain crochet stitches. So this pattern we have to do all around for complete circle. I'll just complete this and I'll show you. Our design will come on this pattern, on this framework. So this is how our framework looks after completion. Okay, now our complete design is going to come on that. Now we will join our last stitch with the first double crochet stitch with the slip stitch. Okay. Here we complete our framework. Now we will join new yarn. To join new yarn, you should have 2 loops on your needle. Okay, one we already have, we will take one more loop. Okay, now just pull that new yarn from both loops at once. Okay, now we will start with a pattern, our design. So we have to make 7 chain crochet stitches. Okay, after 7 chain crochet stitches we will join first and fourth stitch with slip stitch. Okay, so we get a point. Okay, so here I am joining first and fourth stitch with slip stitch, so we get a point now. Now after that, see that double crochet stitch on which we have taken 7 chain crochet stitches. Now we will make 15 double crochet stitches around that one single double crochet stitch. Okay, just remember we have to make 15 double crochet stitches around that single double crochet stitch, and we will join our last stitch with next double crochet stitch. Okay, so like this pattern we are going to do for every double crochet stitch we have made in a framework. Okay, pattern is going to be same for every double crochet stitch. Okay, just see, this is how I am making double crochet stitches. So we have to make 15 such double crochet stitches. See, I'm passing my needle from under that double crochet stitch, grabbing the yarn, pulling it out, and again I'm completing my double crochet stitch. So like this I'll just make 15 double crochet stitches and I'll show you. See, this is how it looks. Okay, and now this we will join, our last stitch we will join with the next double crochet stitch with the slip stitch. Now where we join our last stitch with the slip stitch with next double crochet stitch, again our pattern starts. So we will be making now 7 chain crochet stitches. We will join first and fourth stitch with slip stitch. We get a point, and around that double crochet stitch we will make 15 double crochet stitches. Then again we will join last stitch with next double crochet stitch. So we have to go on doing this all around our framework. Pattern is going to be same. So I'll just complete this and I'll show you how a coaster looks like. I'll just complete it and I'll show you. So this is how it looks after completing. Okay, now we will make slip stitches in this middle stitches. Can you see the stitches? Yeah, so we will make slip stitch in each middle yarn or middle thread. Okay, keep your yarn behind the design, and from up you have to pull that yarn and make slip stitch in every single stitch. So this we are going to do in the middle circle, complete middle circle. So this is how we are supposed to make slip stitch. Okay, I'll just complete this and I'll show you. Once we are done with the slip stitch part of that middle circle, now we will work on those small chain of 3 chain crochet stitches. Okay, we will pull new yarn from one of the point of the design and make a chain crochet stitch. Now we will make 5 incomplete double crochet stitches around those small chain of 3 chain crochet stitches. Incomplete means we will keep last loop of each double crochet stitch on the needle itself. Okay, so one loop is already there on needle, then 5 loops of 5 double crochet stitches, and one loop we will take from next point of the design. Okay, now we will yarn over and pull through from all the 7 loops at once. Okay, see, we will yarn over and pull through from all the 7 loops at once, then make a slip stitch. After that we will make 5 chain crochet stitches, and we will join first and the last stitch with the slip stitch. Again we are making a point. There we go. This pattern you have to follow all around the design. Again, we will be starting with the same. We will make half one loop is on the needle. We will make 5 incomplete double crochet stitches and take a 7th loop from the next point of the design. Then see, I'll just complete it and I'll show you. And 7th point we are taking from next 7th loop we are taking from next point of the design. Now we will yarn over and pull through from all 7 threads at once, all 7 loops at once. Okay, and after that we'll make a slip stitch and make 5 chain crochet stitches. Then we will join first and the last stitch with the slip stitch. We again get a point. So same design you have to do all around. I'll just complete this and I'll show you how it looks. Once we are done with it, now we are supposed to make a belt to tie this design and curtain together. Okay, so for that belt, make chain crochet stitches as long as you want that belt, and after that just leave the stitch which is beside the current loop on the needle, and from next stitch start making one single crochet stitch in each single stitch. Okay, and when you're done till last, turn your work, make a chain crochet, and from first, then after this, for every row from first stitch itself start making single crochet stitch in each single stitch. Okay, so make as many rows you want, and when you're done, just stitch design in the middle of the belt, and by end of the belt make attach velcro or a hook or whatever you want to attach that, so you can attach it to the curtain. See, this is the final piece. I have decorated it this way. You can decorate it as you want. I'll show you. See how this is how it looks on curtain. It's look wonderful. So if you have liked the video, please like, comment and share. And those who have already subscribed to my YouTube channel, thanks a lot, thanks a million. And those who have not yet subscribed, I'll request you, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and help me grow on YouTube. So thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.